Hello, my name is Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video, I'll teach you how to make a USB bootable so you can fix your computer if you have to install it from scratch. So in this case, what you are going to need is El Capitan or any other operating system that you want to download. I mean, you need a Apple computer. So today it might be the Capitan or the Captain, and tomorrow it might be Superman or whatever. So we're going to use Apple website. Here it teach you how to make the USB very quickly. Just type in few commands that I'm going to explain how to do that if you never use that. So we're not going to use any other software, just with the Apple computer. You don't have to install anything, so everything is legit and legal. You don't have to worry about getting ISO or any other file to make a USB bootable. So we're going to start doing this. First of all, I'm going to teach you something. So here we have a Finder. This is the pen drive, as you can see here, or jump drive. And it can be any name. It can be whatever name. Usually, if it says photos or whatever, what I recommend is to change the name like 1, 2, 3, so to make it easier. But you can leave the any name. So you will see why it is very important. So we're just doing right click. You will be able to change the name just, or with the 2 fingers you tap on the magic mouse or whatever, click rename, that's it. So we're going to close this. I'll show you step by step. So we're going to run terminal. We're going to open a new window. So if you don't know how to open a terminal, you can go here on the top where you see the spotlight, where is the magnify glass. So that is why you have to type or to click, and then here you have to type terminal and then 1 click, and that's it. So once you have that, once you have done that, this is what we're going to do. Of course, we have to download El Capitan here. So you go to the App Store here, as you can see. So click here and download the latest software that you want to install or download. Once you have downloaded that, it will be on the usually it's going to be on the application or something like that. So don't worry, it will be everything, it will be automatic. So once you have done that, what we are going to type is what it says here, kind of, but here is an example that it would be more useful. So we have to use a little bit of both. So here we're going to see, it says application, I'm going to show you something that is very important. Here you see it says $, my name, $. So we have to change that by another thing. We have to type sudo -i password, enter, and then you have to see root. If you don't see root, you won't be able, you will not be able to make it work. Or you have to type sudo as it says here, but sometimes it might not work. So if it doesn't work, just do what I said and it will work just fine. So in this case, we're going to start typing this. So you type /, then capital A, then PP, then tab, and then you will see the whole word. It will complete it automatically. Then install, tab, and then it will complete the captain. So I'm gonna show you. I'm going to make it longer so you can see everything that I'm typing. Just remember to type everything exactly as I'm doing it. Anyway, I'm going to leave you the support link from Apple with everything that I'm typing. So if you want to make just the same thing, just copy and paste, and that's it. But remember to rename the pen drive with 1, 2, 3, and I'll show you why I told you that in the beginning. So once we have that, as you can see, we're here, and then we are going to type content, and then tab, and then resources tab, and then create tab media. So once you have that, you'll see that here it ends here, but you have to type more things. So that is why we have the other examples like here. So this is where we are right now. So we have to type the rest. I'll show you now. So we type minus volume is volume, and that's without the n, is volume. That is very important. Something else that you type, it will not work. And then slash volumes, and then tab, so it will copy the rest. And then my volume, it says here, it says my volume. So remember the name that I told you before that was very important here. Okay, here is the name of the pen drive. So here what we can do is, if you don't remember, you can open the Finder, or you can tap twice on tab, and you will see here that we have all the external drives that I have on my computer, as you can see, and we have 1, 2, 3. So this is what we have to type. That is what we're going to use. We can type 1, 2, and then tab, it will type the rest, so that is good. And then we have to keep typing. So I know it's a little bit long, but that is how it is. So now that this is the volume here, in this case our name is 1, 2, 3. So we are going to type the rest. The rest is very easy. And then you type space, minus, minus, application, path, space, / app, application, and then tab, install, tab, then it says El Capitan, and then if we press enter and something like that happen, it's because I type something wrong. So we have to make sure that everything has been typed correctly. Here you see there is an error. It's patch is path. So I delete the C, I press enter, and now it's going to work just fine. As you can see here, this is very important. So the pen drive that you use, if it is not empty, you have some information, make a backup before doing anything else. And once you have made a backup of everything, you press Y, enter, and then it will start erasing everything and starting doing the DVD, I mean the pen drive. So it may take, depending on the speed of your computer, it may take 20 minutes, half an hour, maybe 1 hour, worst case scenario. If you have a very fast pen drive, it should be maybe 15 minutes, like I said before. And once you have done that, you're done. I mean, you have your pen drive already made. That is all you have to do. So that's it. If you don't know how to boot the computer, just let me know in the section below, and then I'll try to help you. Thank you for watching. Click on like, and see you next time.